Health insurance is one of the most important financial decisions for your family, but most people choose a policy based only on premium or brand name. Did you know that two policies with similar coverage can have 35% to 45% difference in premium, and the cheaper one may actually give better benefits? Big brands often charge up to 40% more for their brand value alone than similar plans from other companies. In this video, I'll explain 15 important factors you must compare before choosing a health insurance policy in India. 1. Premium is important, but it should never be the only deciding factor. Different insurers can charge 35% to 45% different premiums for similar coverage. A lower premium might look attractive today, but the real value of a policy depends on coverage features and claim flexibility, not just price. Think of premium as the entry ticket, not the full story. 2. Always check the cashless hospital network in your city. During a medical emergency, you should not worry about arranging cash or reimbursement claims. Choose an insurer that has a large network of hospitals near your home so that treatment can happen smoothly without financial stress. 3. Bonus structure is one of the most powerful features in modern health insurance. Older policies used to offer only 10% bonus per year for claim-free years, but many newer policies offer 100% bonus every year, sometimes even without reducing the bonus if a claim occurs. Some advanced plans allow bonus accumulation up to 15 times the base cover. For example, a 10 lakh policy could grow to 1.5 crore over 15 years. With bonuses, this becomes extremely valuable if a serious illness occurs later in life. 4. Copay clause. Copay means you share hospital bill. For example, if bill is 5 lakh and you have 20% copay, then company will pay 4 lakh and you have to pay 1 lakh from your pocket. Prefer zero copay policies. 5. Most people don't realize that 10% to 20% of a hospital bill consists of non-medical items. These include items like gloves, masks, PPE kits, syringes, and consumables. If your policy does not cover these, you will have to pay them out of pocket. The best plans include consumables or non-medical expenses coverage. 6. A restored benefit automatically replenishes your coverage if the base sum insured is exhausted. For example, if you have a 10 lakh policy and the entire amount is used in one hospitalization, the insurer restores another 10 lakh within the same policy year. This effectively gives you double coverage. The best policies restore 100% of the sum insured without complicated conditions. 7. Most policies have a 3-year waiting period for pre-existing diseases, but some modern plans offer optional buyout features, allowing coverage for certain pre-existing conditions from day one or with reduced waiting periods. This can be extremely valuable for families with existing health conditions. 8. Critical illnesses like cancer, organ transplant, or heart surgery can cost tens of lakhs. Some advanced policies provide extended or unlimited coverage options for critical illnesses, ensuring that the financial burden does not become overwhelming. 9. Many policies divide India into zones based on medical costs. If your policy is taken in a lower cost zone but you take treatment in a metro city, the insurer may apply 20% co-payment. This means you pay 20% of the entire hospital bill. The best policies do not have zonal co-payment restrictions. 10. Room rent limits are one of the most misunderstood clauses in health insurance. If your policy allows only 5,000 per day for room rent, but you choose a 10,000 room, insurers may apply proportionate deduction on the entire bill by approximately 50% in this example, just because you crossed your room rent limit. This means your claim amount could be reduced drastically. The best policies allow any room category without limits. 11. Health insurance premiums usually increase every year as your age increases, typically 5% to 10% annually. Some advanced policies offer an age lock feature where the premium remains linked to your entry age until the first claim is made. This can help control long-term premium increases. 12. Special insight, unlimited cover. Interestingly, there is now a policy in India that offers virtually unlimited coverage up to 99.99 crore. The surprising part is that the premium for this plan may be only about 25% higher than their own 10 lakh plan. This shows how important it is to compare features carefully before choosing a policy. 13. Another useful tip: when increasing coverage from 10 lakh to 20 lakh, the premium increase is often only around 10%. So, if your budget allows, it is usually wiser to choose a higher sum insured, especially considering rising medical costs. 14. Finally, remember this: insurance agents often promote only the policies of the company they represent. They may not always be aware of better features available across different insurers. So always consult advisors who compare multiple policies objectively and recommend what is truly best for you. 15. If your current health insurance plan is more than 3 years old, chances are that it may be missing many of these benefits, and yet you may be paying a much higher premium. You can always port your existing plans to better options without losing waiting period, vintage, and at better premium rates. Most people had very low health insurance cover in their old policies. With the rising cost of medical treatment, it is better to have 10 to 20 lakh cover, because the old policies with 3 lakh or 5 lakh cover may not be sufficient for your family. 16. Don't choose only by brand name. Big brands may charge up to 40% more. Brand value increases premium significantly. Similar features available at lower cost. Compare benefits, not just company name. Check hospital network and claim support. For example, the best plan for a family with 10 lakhs cover has a premium of 20,000 only with zero copay, no zonal copayment, 100% cover restore, 100% of cover as bonus every year for 15 years, and unlimited cover for critical illnesses, whereas other three big brands charge 25,000, 30,000, and 33,000 respectively for same coverage even without 100% bonus options. And if you want help comparing health insurance plans for your family, feel free to reach out for free consultation.